Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to move WhatsApp chat from iPhone to Android. So first of all, prepare the iPhone and Android. Ensure both devices are charged and have WhatsApp installed. Next, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and make sure that your WhatsApp is fully updated to the latest version, okay? And use the transfer chats option. Right, on your Android device during the WhatsApp setup, select import chat history when prompted, and basically go ahead to the settings if you're using iPhone, and then basically what you're gonna do next, you gotta just go ahead the storage right here, not the storage, go to the privacy. Right, you're gonna be able right here to see an option for advanced, right, and you're gonna be able to notice here it is somewhere between here. Go to the chat, sorry, and then basically go ahead and click move chats to Android, right? Then select move chats to Android, and then on your Android device, verify your phone number to start the transfer, and then follow the on-screen instructions to finish transferring your chats. Make sure to keep both devices connected during the transfer process. Note that the feature may vary slightly based on the version of the app and devices. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.